Oh, here we are. It's Tuesday, January 30th, and we're taking the golf cart to take a look at the Lakeview Terrace. So I'm really having a hard time explaining to you guys what we got here in this amazing, incredible piece of land. But here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Lakeview Terrace. Over to your right, you see the sign, your wells number 1 and 2. When we drive uphill here, you see to your left, one of the log cabins, owner's house. We got the caretaker's unit over there, and then wonderful cabin number 1 and 1A. If we pan to the right, you'll start to see cabin number 16, a beautiful amphitheater. And if we go far to the right, and we're going to turn right, if we go far to the right, you have your office area. So, as we come down, this is the terrace of cabins to your left. Pan around, there's 4 of those between 1 and 5 bedrooms. Over here to your horse area to the right. Can you slow down a little? Horse area to the right, and this is going to be your common area. And of course you can see wonderful lake view there. All right, so that's all area we have to use. Up to your left, we got cabin number 10 with the dogs in your dog-friendly area. And then we start to go over Arnie's head. We're gonna stand up here. It's gonna get a little dangerous, but I'm gonna go backwards as we go forward. So here's a cabin. Picnic tables, fire pits, wood that I'm gonna make benches out of. Another cabin here. More wood that I can make stuff out of. And another cabin. So, if you get it over here, we can get pretty excited right now because this is your tree fort. So, when you were a kid and your dad built your tree fort in the back of the house, it did not look like this, I'm positive. So, let's get up in there. I want to give a quick shout out to Arnie, caretaker extraordinaire. Man's worth his weight in gold. It's your wonderful construction tree fort, and it gives you a good little view of the park. There we go. And so you see now why it's called the Lakeview Terrace, because everybody's got a view of the lake. And the whole place is terraced. So there we go. Correctly named property. Lakeview Terrace. Tree fort. So you see each one of the places has the dog-friendly caging area. We can also cage the kids in this playground. So they'll be there and they'll get to play in that playground all day, and they will leave their parents alone so their parents can do other stuff. And you got some horseshoe pits in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cruise down, take a look at this other layer of cabins. And here is wonderful cabin number 2, 5-bedroom cabin. Right now the dam workers have been in there for months. So they made it their home. If you look this way, kind of cruise around, we can see a better view of unit number 1, the pool area, which is a huge draw, and a different view of the amphitheater and office area. Welcome sign, which makes people feel welcome. RV park, cabins. Now, these are all 3 bedrooms, right?
3, 4, and 5.
These are all 3, 4, and 5 bedroom cabins. All fully furnished.
All you gotta do is bring food.
All you gotta do is bring food. So you can see, everyone's got the view of the lake. Oh, there it is. Everybody's got a view of the lake. Take a little quick look at this. You know, let's relax and let's appreciate the beauty that we're truly experiencing here. And that we're going to share with many, many fine guests. Can't beat it, guys. Welcome to paradise. Let's get another view of that cabin number 2 that we were talking about from the patio area. And one of our residents, Penny. Say hello, Penny. Penny is the water master. Then we got our laundry, RV park, as you'll see in another area. And then you start to have your permanent residence mobile home area. Okay, up there. No RV turnaround, don't do it. So we can house a lot of birds right here in the bird houses. And then we're gonna pull up, and we go up, 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 and away. You think we make it up there?
Yep.
Okay, we got our water tanks. Very important, water system. This is 3 6,500 gallon tanks of water, storage, chlorination, pumping system. Got the whole shebang up here. All right, we can stop right there. And then we can see down. Guys, look at this. Look at this view. Who's excited? This guy's excited. See that? System. Directions. Dartboard. Tank. Chlorine. Old tank. Don't expect you guys to know too much about that. Just know we got it. And it works. People are drinking. Water flowing in the showers, in the toilets. Everywhere you need water, we got it. And as we continue down your permanent resident alley, we see these residents. They got a nice little boat there. You know, a little pride ownership. They keep their place pretty nice. Look at that in the back. The ominous cloud. This is another permanent resident. And there's a little deer right there. You see him just hanging out? What's up, deer? What's up, deer? This pad can be used for another site. And there's deer everywhere, guys. So I hope you like deer. Because when you come up, you're going to say, oh, deer. Are you kidding me? Look at this place. Just going to walk up. You can hike up to those clouds. And then we're just going to walk and walk and walk, and this is our property, and this is all undeveloped over here, and this is moss on an oak tree getting really close, and that is the lake. Look at that. That's where the pole would be great.
You get over in that horse pen right now and then you get a better view.
So this is that horse area that we were talking about. And then if we just pan around, this is Lakeview. So we're not doing too much with this area right now. But look at this view. It's incredible. This is where he had the horses. So this whole area is up for grabs as far as what we're going to do with it. A million different ideas. Look at this.
Put the caretakers out there.
Yeah. And there we go. It's just a little panorama. Propane. Everybody's got propane here. Here we got the owner's house. The fish cleaning area, as you can see from the fish cleaning. And this is where you clean your fish. You cut them, you gut them, you fillet them, you ice them, and you eat them. Behind that, got the owner's house. And then you can see the, this used to be a satellite dish. Got it. Got your caretaker's unit here. It's getting some work on it right now, so that'll be finished shortly. And this is your unit 23, which we probably have rented out already. bring in some, oh, 28, unit 28, your Lakeview. And then from this way, start to see your owner's house. Down to those wells again. And up and down. Alright, so when we drove up, we're back at the entrance, but instead of taking a right this time, we're going to take a left. So then you'll start to see the pool area. I think I want to put a sauna right there. Do some cold plunges. There's your unit number 1, which is actually 2 units that you saw when we were driving up the hill with that massive patio in there. Then you have one of those log cabins. It's pretty sweet. There's the owner's house down there, nice double wide. And then, so over here, these are those facilities. You have the showers and laundry and vending machines and that kind of stuff. Over to your right, here's the fish cleaning area. This is the caretaker's unit that is getting work on it right now. We're not going to stop because we're not a new arrival. So then we're going to get to the RV section. And I'm going to whip you around. This is a unit right there that we pretty much already have rented out. Okay, and then we start to see more Lakeview. Because you're Lakeview Terrace, everybody has to have a view of the lake. Now, that's some caution tape there, but it doesn't have to be that way. We can uncaution that, and then I'll show you the drop off of the cliff. Because it's pretty exciting that they're... Okay, let's look at these. Every one of these are all ours, guys. These are all RV sites, and they all have beautiful patios. Oh, and those patios are overlooking a cliff that goes down probably about 30, 40 feet, no doubt. All of these patios, each one of those is an RV spot. So cool. So then we got a couple that are still there right now. Here, there's one, and that we got to take over. This one was abandoned right here, and then this guy here, you know, is just a nice guy. Rents and comes here in the summer. I understand. He's probably a great guy. This is a 35-footer that we're going to put at one of those patios, and then we're going to rent it out like it's an apartment unit. That's your trash, where you throw all your trash. So, let's do this. Now we're going to whip around here. And then, it's because it'll be easier for me to show you the rest of the RV park. You thought we were done. You guys thought we were done. And we're kind of just getting started. So, then each one of these... Oh wait, what's that? A pontoon boat? Speedboats? So all of these are RV spaces with 50 amps. Each one here, fire pit, some trees. Each one of these are separately metered for electric, 30 amps, 50 amps. It got sewer lines, they got water. Some of them used to even have cable TV. So you start to see all the potential, right? There's 31 of these spaces all the way over there. See it behind the log cabin? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 more spaces. All right. And then off the drop off, I'm going to pause here. All right. I think we're getting the feel of the RV area. Okay, so here's one of those patios that I was showing, right? So we walk up, you pull up your trailer, mobile home right here, and then this nice patio you have. So if you step up onto the patio, you say, why would people put patios here? And the answer, dear friends, is that it overlooks a cliff. So then see this here? That's all ours. It's all been graded. This is down the hill a little bit. It could all be tent camping, and that goes all the way down to down at the bottom. And you can see right now it's kind of a junkyard. There's pontoon boats and other boats and trees, but that's all ours. That is expansion area. All right, let's do one spin around here. Patios, 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 patios. RV park, pontoon boats, log cabins, residence, red cabin in the back, another log cabin, and back to RV places. So if we're driving back down from where we started, there's your amphitheater, which, as you can see, we can just do a ton of stuff with. Your office area over there. Behind it, down this little slope, is an actual gold mine with an entrance to the mine down there. See, the area behind the office is going to be all the common area where they're storing boats, and then there's that horse area through there again. This is your cabin now for number 16, which is a super secluded, nice little one. But why I'm taking you down here is I want to show you something. So this is driving, we're driving. Ryan's trying to video and not get in an accident. America! Okay, so once we get to the bottom here, this is a privately leased dock area. When we get this lease back, this will be all for us. So you go down this road, down the road. And then this is it. So this is the lake. And this would be the private area once we get the lease again. And then the dock goes right there. Dock goes right there. It's awesome. And this is what that looks like down here. Really gorgeous. This is a view of the lake.